All right, so the answer to bell ringer, what did you learn about investments, which we typed in the Canvas chat, the quizzes, the Econ 6 investments. So we go to investments. We can see that there's a description of each of the general, there are obviously more than this, but these are some of the top ones. Savings accounts, certificates of deposits or CDs, treasury or municipal bonds, money market mutual funds, stock market portfolio for both the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ. And so it says pick a different investment for each of the people in the survey. So if we click on this link, a survey will open up. And it gives you a little scenario. It says Grandma Jones wants to set aside money for her newborn grandchildren so they may use it after they get into college. She wants to set it aside so that it is not touched before then, and should also like a little interest accumulate as well. She does not want to lose it. So use the drop-down menu, and it has those definitions again, and you choose which investment you think is best for Grandma Jones. Then down below here, you would copy and paste whatever 3 or 4 word phrase or sentence you think best supports why you chose that. So maybe you see it was not touched before, then maybe that's what you put down there, or maybe little interest accumulated. So that might be also something you can put down there in the next section. So for each of these people, you choose a different investment and just copy and paste the reasoning why. And then when you're done with that, you'll click submit or start assignment, and answer the question in 3 to 5 sentences. If you were given $1,000, which investment would you make and why? So click start assignment in the text box, go ahead and type that. Then the other thing that you can do today would be the quizzes. There's the vocab quiz and the reading quiz, so you can take those. You can have up to 2 attempts for each of those. And then the quarter 4 finance project, once again, as when you're going with your first long-term job, whatever the beginning salary is, the directions are in this link here. It has everything laid out for you. The template, make sure you make a copy, and you can go ahead and fill the information as you go. Of course, it's also important that you remain under budget for your month and that you fill out the reflection slide as well before you submit it. All right, but anyway, the directions, as you can see, they're laid out here, and it will help you fill out the template. Describes anything or everything in depth that you'll need to finish that, and it counts as a test grade. And then, of course, for the remainder of the period, anything else from Unit 6 that you might owe.